review. Today we're going to talk about the Xenoc M40 Pro. So the speaker is built very well. It even has pretty cool light show which you can adjust and different. So there's also an app, but this app is in Chinese and you need to use the QR code to download it. And you have different EQs. And the standard EQ is maybe the best EQ. The secondary I prefer a bit better treble, but it does distort a bit above 50%. And the other EQs are pretty much useless. Some give a bit more bass, but then everything else is gone. And other gives me upper bass, but then everything else is gone. So only those two EQs are usable. But here's an audio sample, so you do see all the EQs in action in one sample. And then afterwards we go into some other audio samples with just a normal EQ. Because this normal EQ is the best above 80% volume. And the secondary EQ is the best till 50% volume. So I didn't use that one for audio sampling because it just gives too much distortion with most music. Without further ado, here are the audio samples, enjoy them and see you around.
Forget this day. I'll never forget this day. Starting from the back of the line, see the loss of innocence like an explosion frozen in time. Now you're wishing to the good Lord He could take you back before you cross that line. Trying